Hi guys, it's Sandra here. In this video, which is an introductory pre-launch video of a product that I'm really excited about, which is launching tomorrow, Monday, the 15th of November at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. That is 5 p.m. here in the UK. And that product is Affiliate Millionaire. Affiliate Millionaire is a product from the desk of Chris and Andrew Fox. But a little bit more about the vendors of the product in my next video. But before I get into this video, it would be really great if you could like this video, because it really helps my YouTube channel and I really appreciate you for doing so. And as I said, this is an introductory video to the Affiliate Millionaire, and just to prove why you should get a copy and use it in your business, here is a testimonial from one of the beta testers, Harlan.
Hey, this is Harlan Kilstein. I've been in internet marketing since about the year 2001, when it was just getting off the ground. I remember when someone told me that they made 6 figures a year in affiliate marketing. I thought they were joking. That was a long, long time ago. Now, there are people who make 6 and 7 figures a month doing affiliate marketing. Many programs have come out about affiliate marketing, promising huge windfalls. So why aren't there more millionaires? Why aren't there more people making money with affiliate marketing? Simply because the courses are too difficult for most people to understand. Until now. Andrew Fox's Affiliate Millionaire program, which I was given the opportunity to look at and go through, is a total breakthrough. It is simplicity defined. The videos are short. They show you exactly what needs to be done. It is step by step showing you how you can very rapidly launch a successful affiliate business and turn it into a stream of full-time income. Andrew Fox is one person who knows affiliate marketing. And I'm telling you, take my word for it, Affiliate Millionaire could very well be the thing you are looking for to turn your life around. A lot of people ask me to affiliate for products, and 99.9 times out of 100, I say no. But seeing Affiliate Millionaire, oh yeah, I'm going to be recommending it to people. It's incredible. Grab it while you can.
Guys, and if you, like me, are already making sure you don't miss the launch, having listened to that testimonial, but you want to know more about the product so that you can make the right decision, if you click the link below this video, you can get an amazing free coaching session featuring Andrew Fox and his coaching client, Thomas Owen. And Thomas Owen actually makes $500,000 per month from affiliate marketing. In fact, when you listen to this coaching session, I'm sure you will get a lot out of it, because I believe it is one of the best coaching sessions I have witnessed for a long time, and so full of golden nuggets. Although it is an interview, it really is a mini coaching session. So I really urge you to watch the video right until the end so that you don't miss a trick or two, which will literally blow your mind and motivate you to the next level. When you find out how Thomas became a multi-million-dollar super affiliate in less than a year. And don't forget, guys, to click my bonus link below this video as well, just for taking the time to stop by and to watch my video. The bonus that I have below This video, guys, is a comprehensive course about how to grow your YouTube channel and video marketing in general. But guys, I really urge you to look at this product, Affiliate Millionaire, and just to listen to the free coaching session that you can get below this video, and also just for taking the time to stop by, you can get an amazing bonus from me. So really, that's all I've got to say, guys. But remember to watch out for the launch tomorrow. That is the 15th of November at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, when you can get your hands on Affiliate Millionaire, and you too, if you really take action, could be the next super affiliate making $500,000 per month just from affiliate marketing. So until the next video about Affiliate Millionaire, I say bye for now, and I wish you all the success, because your success is my success.